Hi and welcome to a new video. Intel Unison is a new cutting-edge software that seamlessly connects your mobile device to your Windows PC through a hassle-free pairing process. Once connected, you can easily share files, access galleries, and send and receive calls and messages directly from your PC. In this video, I will take you step by step through connecting your iPhone to your computer using Intel Unison. Let's go. To get started, download and install Intel Unison on both your iPhone and your Windows PC. From your iPhone, open the App Store, search for Intel Unison, and then install. On your computer, access the Microsoft Store, search for the same software, and then install it. Make sure you are signed in to your Microsoft account. Also note that Intel Unison is currently only available for Windows 11 PCs. After installation, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both your iPhone and computer to establish a connection successfully. To begin the pairing process, launch Intel Unison on your computer. Click the Accept and Continue button to proceed until the dashboard displays the pairing screen. Open the app on your iPhone too and allow access to your contacts, photos, local network, and Bluetooth when prompted. Then tap Scan QR Code on your iPhone to scan the QR code displayed on your computer's Intel Unison dashboard. After scanning, click the Confirm button on your PC if the code displayed matches the code on your iPhone. Be sure to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process between the two devices. Once connected, you can now access your device from your computer and use the following features available in Intel Unison. With File Transfer, you can easily send and receive files to and from both your iPhone and your PC. To transfer files from your computer to your iPhone, simply drag and drop the file into the designated area or click the Add Files button to browse for files in Windows Explorer. All sent files will automatically appear in the Receive tab of the mobile app. On the other hand, if you want to send from your iPhone, just tap the Send button and select files from your local storage. Another useful feature is Gallery, which gives you instant access to all the photos and videos saved on your iPhone. You can also select each photo or video and effortlessly download them to your computer, making it simple to transfer and manage your media files. Next, let's talk about how you can access your messages from your iPhone on your computer. To do this, go to the Bluetooth settings on your device and tap the I button next to your PC's name. Make sure that Show Notifications is enabled to facilitate the connection. Then click the Approved button to start viewing your messages on your computer. You can also click the Compose Message button above to send chats directly to your contact list. With Intel Unison, you can also handle your calls and stay connected seamlessly. To receive phone notifications on your PC, click the Allow button on your mobile device when prompted. Once permission is granted, you'll gain direct access to your contact list so you can make calls using the built-in dialer. Finally, click the Notifications feature to view all the alerts you've received from your iPhone. Therefore, you'll never miss an important notification while working on your PC or when your iPhone is out of reach. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.